downloading YouTube videos but running out of storage too quickly? Or are your downloads looking blurry? This one YouTube setting lets you choose the perfect balance between video quality, storage, and data usage. Here's how to change it. When you download videos on YouTube, the download quality affects both the video clarity and the amount of storage it uses. Choosing the right quality can help you save space or enjoy better video quality depending on what you need. Let me show you where to find this setting. So first, open the YouTube app and tap your profile picture. Now go to settings, then tap downloads. Next, select download quality. You will see different quality options such as ask each time, low, medium or high depending on your device and YouTube version. If you choose ask each time, YouTube will let you select the quality whenever you download a video. If you choose low quality, your download will use less storage and may download faster. If you choose high quality, your videos will look clearer but use more storage space and may take longer to download. Simply select the option that best fits your need. Your changes will be saved automatically. Changing your download quality helps to manage your phone storage more efficiently while giving you better control over your offline viewing experience. Low quality is useful if you want to save space or have limited storage, while higher quality provides a clearer picture for tutorials, educational videos, and other content where details matter. Choose the right settings also helps you avoid unnecessary storage usage. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.